Lorena lived in an old house on the edge of the forest. Her parents always said, never play in the front room. It was full of antiques and shadows. But one rainy afternoon, while her mother napped and the wind howled outside, Lorena pushed the door open. The air felt colder. The room was silent, except for a faint whispering sound. On the table stood an elegant, glowing porcelain vase. Ignoring the chill in the air, Lorena tossed her ball gently. But the ball bounced off the wall, hit a chair, and crash, the vase fell to the floor and shattered. The ball hit the vase. Panic gripped her. She quickly swept the sharp pieces under the velvet sofa, her hands shaking. "You broke me, and you lied," the voice hissed. She pulled the blanket over her head. Was she dreaming? That night, Lorena couldn't sleep. The whispering returned. It didn't come from the room this time. It came from under her bed. The broken vase pieces floated in the air near her closet, forming eerie shapes. The next morning, her mother asked, "Lorena, do you know what happened to Grandma's vase?" Her voice was calm, but her eyes were sharp. Lorena wanted to lie. Her mouth opened, but the memory of the voice under the bed made her shiver. She said quietly, "I broke it, Mama. I went into the room. I'm sorry." Her mother sighed, then hugged her tightly. "Thank you for telling the truth. That vase was special, but your honesty means more." That night, the whispering didn't return. The shadows stopped moving. The air felt warm again. From that day, Lorena never lied again. The house felt lighter, the shadows stayed quiet, and the whispers never returned. Moral: the truth has power. Lies can haunt, but honesty brings peace.